how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove Bitmoji from Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch a Snapchat application here. Tap on a Bitmoji avatar. You can currently see that this is my Bitmoji. So if I want to remove my Bitmoji, tap the gear icon from the top right. From here, look for the option called Bitmoji, and now just tap on the option called Unlink My Bitmoji. Tap on Remove Bitmoji option and your Bitmoji will get successfully removed. Now even you don't want to remove it, you can just edit the Bitmoji by doing a few facial differences and so on. But if you think that's the option for you, you can go and do that as well. This way you can remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.